Hi guys, on this one we've got a Toshiba L650 laptop which has developed a problem. There's been a spillage on the keyboard, coffee or tea, liquid of some sort, and you can't quite see it here because it's password locked, but you can't even get into the password actually because when you press the keyboard it's giving the incorrect numbers and letters, so you can't even put your password in. So first thing we're going to do is power the unit off and remove the charger or the AC adapter, and then once you've done that, what we're going to do is remove the battery, as you see I've done here, and it's just a matter of removing the keyboard. It depends on what model you've got. On this one there's a couple of screws on the back, and they hold the keyboard down. Different models have different methods of securing the keyboard. There's a little screw there, and we come to the tricky bit here. It's just got to remove this top trim without damaging the unit. It can be a bit fiddly on some models. And you can see I've just managed to pop the trim out there. There's, like I said, the different laptops will have different arrangements. And there's 4 screws on the top here, which I need to remove. And then we're able to lift the keyboard free. However, it's still attached with a ribbon cable. On this one you just need to pop this little tab up, and that will release the ribbon cable for the keyboard. It has the model number on the back, so what I'll need to do is order a new one. In the meantime, I'll show you here. You can see traces of where spillages have been on the back here. Little marks there where liquid has penetrated through. Like I said, just get the model number and order another one off the internet. And it's arrived. Took a few days, but here's the replacement keyboard. Just put the two together so you can see they're identical. And just flip it over. They are identical, only on the new one there's a clear ribbon cable. On the old one here there's a black ribbon cable. There's the black ribbon cable there, and there's the clear ribbon cable, but they're both the same. It's just different manufacturers. So to fit it, what we're going to do is fit the ribbon cable first. And it's just a matter of flipping up the tab on the socket, which I've left up, and just tucking this ribbon cable into its socket. You can see here might be a bit fiddly, and then once it's fully in, it's just locking this tab down like so. Just get a little close up, and a screenshot there of what it's supposed to look like. Now it's just a matter of fitting the keyboard. There's some tabs at the bottom here which just slot in. like so. Just a matter of getting it to seat correctly. And then it's just a matter of putting the 4 screws back in on the top here. And once the screws are in, it's just a matter of replacing this trim what I removed to remove the keyboard. Just clips in on the top here. And that's fitted, so there's just one screw holding it in, and that goes just beyond the battery cover. So I'm just going to put that screw in, not too tight. And now that that's in, just going to put the battery back on. And just power the unit back on. And that pretty much concludes. Thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.